C7 here, unique, especially in classics. And this one is a sweetheart, folks. 2018 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible Grand Sport 3LT package to boot. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 16,800 and some odd miles on this one. Long Beach red, Kalahari interior and top. What more do you want? Oh, how about the fact it's been adult owned, well maintained, and in very nice shape. Take a look at the front fascia. Of course, that lower splitter, which you can see is in nice shape. You're going to be able to see the underside pics, interior, engine bay, trunk, top up, top down. All those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website. We can see all the still pics. You can also call us, 507-386-1726. Of course, the slotted rotors, chrome wheels, great looking Grand Sport. As you can see, really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches, scuffs that I've noticed. Interior's like it rolled off the showroom floor. We're going to get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer. Of course, this is going to have your selective ride. This one does come with the 6.2 liter LS3 underneath the hood, of course. 8-speed dual clutch paddle shift automatic. That'd be optional in this car. Power top. We're going to show you how that functions shortly. We'll take a little closer look at the interior, start it up, let you hear it run. We'll have Jason take it for a drive with the camera in it so you can see how this thing drives out. I think we already know that just looking at it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. If you've been looking for a Grand Sport that's well taken care of, convertible especially, Long Beach red, don't wait on this one, folks. This one will not stick around here long. Like I said, well maintained, clean Carfax. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like the C7 Corvettes, C8s, maybe just into Corvettes in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here as far as Corvettes go. Gen 1s all the way through C8s. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the cars are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. You're going to start it up so you can hear it run. It does have the variable exhaust. Of course, your modern amenities, Bose speakers, memory, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seats both sides. And look at the condition of the Kalahari leather. Doesn't really show any wear at all. You're going to be able to see close-up pictures of the interior in with the still pics. Of course, all your steering wheel controls, heads-up display, navigation on this one, infotainment, and again, that selective ride control with the mode select. Switch right in the center console. Let's fire it up. Check out the exact miles for you here too. Listen to that exhaust note, it will change here shortly. And that is that variable exhaust. 16,891 for miles. There you could hear it change. I don't know if you can see the heads-up display with the lights right ahead of us. Heads-up display is working though. There you can kind of see it depending on how you get the angle of it. Lights on that black background kind of wash it out. Top of the dash, good shade. No warning indicators, check engine lights, service anything, nothing. All good. course, stereo is working. And it does have navigation, all your modern electronics. Go ahead and pop the hood because we're going to check that engine bay out. Nice little rumble coming out of that 6.2. Even in the convertible, still quite a bit of storage back here. That's with the top down. And then wanted to show you, this will also have the auto close. How about under the hood? Look how clean that hood liner is. This car has not been driven in inclement weather. There it is. 6.2 liter. Looks good, sounds good underneath the hood. Of course, the battery in these would be located in the trunk on the passenger side. You'll be able to see the RPO codes. Speaking of that trunk on the passenger side, I did take a picture of the RPO code stickers. So if you want to see exactly how this car was produced in Bowling Green, Kentucky, that sticker is in with the still pictures. All right, let me go ahead and show you how the top comes up. We'll also take a look at the condition of the top, and I'll show you going back down so you can see how everything works and the fact that it does work. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's taking this car for a drive. Lucky guy. And here it is with the power top up. As you could see, it functions as it should. Again, Kalahari fabric, nice shape, not stained, ripped, torn. Rolled the side glass up so you know that fits. Rear glass window with electronic defog. Nice tight fit. These are nice and quiet too, even with the convertible top once it's up. Going down the road, not much more that you ask for in this one. It is a nice clean car. Remember that clean Carfax. Let me see if I can show you how the top will work. With the remote in my hand, there's actually a button to put the power top down. So, see if I can make that work. And there you go. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Beautiful 2018 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport, clean Carfax, low miles, well taken care of. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2018 Chevrolet Corvette. this would be a grand sport. One of the better looking body treatments, in my opinion. This is a convertible, and we do have the top up today. So fun to drive these Corvettes. They're just tuned just right. This is a automatic, so it's super easy to drive. Just put your foot down. You can do paddle shift if you like. Stereo sounds great. Easily amused. Yes, I'm easily amused. Speedometer reading 60. This one goes to 200, believe it or not, which would be a lot of fun. Leather bucket seats, very comfortable. The color treatment in this car, I actually like. I would call that, I guess, like a natural leather color of a brown mixed with black. Nice burgundy tone on the outside. Brakes work excellent, as every Corvette should. The heads-up display is giving us G's, which makes cornering even more fun. Tachometer and speedometer. All our numbers are looking good for the battery, oil pressure, temp, engine. That's all right next to the speedometer on the LCD screen. Handles like a new Corvette, I must say. This showing 16,894 miles currently. And it feels new. Take a look at the pictures and check out all the details at uniqueclassiccars.com.